Hello, I'm going to show you how to work a 3x3 star stitch. For this stitch, I'm going to work a knit, yarn over, knit into a centered double decrease. To begin, I'm going to slip 2 stitches together knitwise to the right needle. Then slip those 2 stitches back to the left needle without twisting. Then I'm going to knit 3 stitches together through the back loops. Leave those 3 stitches on the left needle, yarn over, then knit those same 3 stitches together again through the back loops, and then remove those 3 stitches from the left needle.